Hi there, friend. It's me, Pastel, and I'm so happy you're here because to finish up this week's sweet treats theme, we are drawing my favorite sweet treat. It's cotton candy. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to open to a brand new page in my sketchbook, and I want to use my violet red crayon today. It's sort of a darker pink. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a big cloud shape. Ooh, that looks like fun. And then right next to it, and also connected to it, I'm going to draw another big cloud shape. See how it looks like this one is sitting on top of that one? Now let's do the same thing up top. We'll draw one more big cloud up on top. Our big cotton candy puffs. Oh, look at that. It's looking so yummy already. Now, I want to switch to blue-green for the cone of the cotton candy, the part you hold on to. And for this part, I'm going to draw an angled line down and an angled line up. It's a lot like an ice cream cone, but it's a lot skinnier than an ice cream cone too. So now let's give our cotton candy some color. I want to do pink because that is so classic for cotton candy. So I'm just going to color that in any way that feels good to me. And you can do any color of cotton candy that you like. Because cotton candy comes in all the colors of the rainbow now. Sometimes you even see more than one color in the same package. Isn't that cool? And there's different flavors. My favorite is just the classic fluffy pink. Okay, and we're almost done. So for the cone, let's give it some stripes, some little angled lines that go across, and we can color them in. And then two more lines for stripes, and color that in. And two more lines for stripes, and we'll color them in too. All right, there we have it. There's our cotton candy. Oh, doesn't it look so yummy? I bet yours looks so yummy too. I wish we could eat it. That would be so much fun. We could have a cotton candy party. Well, anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you feel so good about your drawing. Maybe you can put it someplace special like the fridge. Well, until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.